Jesus of Nazareth once said, "Do not think that I have come to bring peace to the earth. I have not come to bring peace, but a sword." Most people misunderstand this. Jesus was not calling for violence. He was warning that truth cuts. Real faith divides comfort from conviction. It separates the disciplined from the passive, the obedient from the agreeable. A sword is not chaos. A sword is clarity. It forces a choice. Stand firm or step aside. Christ did not promise ease. He promised purpose. And purpose demands strength. Strength demands discipline. Discipline demands sacrifice. Peace without truth is weakness. Peace after truth is earned. A man of faith does not seek conflict, but he does not run from it. He stands, he endures, he protects what is sacred. That is the sword.